Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing an Easter set. This is part of a Devine UK collab, and I'm going to be using Madame Glam today. So I will show you one coat and then I will show you two coats on each of the nails, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the first collab thing that I've joined with them. And yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. This is like totally wacky. You will see. I don't quite know what happened. I think because we had such a sunny day that yeah. Anyway, yeah, so this is mainly going to be stamping today, but yeah, I will just apply these colours and then yep, I shall come back. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so I will finish painting these and then I will stick them in the lamp. And then these are the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these water decals and this foil as well. And these stamping plates. Do I use all of them? Yeah, I do. So this Beauty Big Bang one, and there is a Born Pretty, Moyu London. And I'm going to be using obviously the foil glue as well. So I'm just going to do the usual thing where I'm just going to put just a small amount of water and just let it soak in for a little while, and then remove the backing and put it on the nail. So this is the reason why this one is going to go on the pink, just so you know, because it is see-through, but once you place it onto a light background you can see the detail much better. And then I will just smooth it out a bit. And then I will go in and do some stamping, I think. Oh no, I do the foil next. And then yeah, I will do some stamping. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, that is the full done. So I'm going to be using Shemodern today. These are the sticky stamping polishes. So these are the pearl ones. So first off, I'm going to use the pearl blue. So I'm going to be doing the carving where you put it on the stamp head. You put it evenly and not too thick. And then I will use one of the stencil scraper cards and do my own like carving block. Now this is the first like proper time I've really done this, so yeah, it did take they didn't come out perfect, but I have to say I was quite happy with how they turned out. It was so warm in my nail room as well. So yeah, so you just apply them to the stamp heads and you just leave them to dry a bit, and then I'm just showing you what I'm going to be using. So I just left them for a while, and then what I do is I kind of tested the side of it to see if it was dry enough. But as you can see, it's not 100% dry enough, so I do go in kind of and keep sort of testing it to see. But yeah, it came out all right. I'm still trying. Left it a bit longer, and then yeah. So this will take a bit of getting used to for me anyway. And then I will just stamp one at the top and one at the bottom to make it look like a kind of Easter egg type thing. And I'm still doing it. So this is the reinforced stamper from Shemodern as well. It has a plastic plate under the stamper head. So this will be the second one. So now I'm going a little bit slower by taking it off because I had to redo it because I messed up the first one. So I redid it again. So as you can see, that's a much better kind of carving of it. This is going to take a little bit of getting used to, but yeah, I think it's a very cool idea. I'll have to play a bit more with them. So I'll try and make it a bit thinner because the other one was a bit thick. But yeah, and then I will go in and do some wacky stamping with all the other ones. Now these stamping polishes are so pigmented, it's unreal. So here I'm just going to use the other colours and do like a 3-colour stamping. Yeah, so this is what I mean by it was totally wacky, this design. Yeah, it's kind of sort of Easter meets summer type of thing. So yeah, so I just scrape here and then I just take off the bit that I don't want, and then I will put it on the nail, and then yep, I will just continue doing the stamping in the same sort of way, just deciding which way I want it, and yep, just stamp it on the nail. Okay, I will let you watch this and then I shall come back. Okay, so this is the design nearly done. Yeah, the image stuck to my finger, so I had to sort of patch it up a bit. But yeah, it turned out okay. Just, yeah, for some reason my finger got in the way. So here I'm just going to sort of place it on and make the wording kind of slightly curved around the top, and then I will go in with this one, and then yep, this is the design done. I will just top coat, and yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I know it's totally wacky and totally out there, but you know me. So yep, I'm just going to apply a matte top coat, and then yeah, this is a design done. So let me know your thoughts down below. I do have a discount code for Devine decals and Shemodern as well. I will post the posters at the end, and all my other all my other codes are in the description box, as well as these two as well, and links, and yeah, all the products I've used today. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video and you like the end result. I know it's a bit I know it's a bit out there, but I had so much fun doing this. So yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below, and I think there's a playlist, so I will have that in the description box as well. So yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and welcome again to all my new subscribers, and hello to my loyal ones. I hope you're all having a great weekend, and yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.